this video, I will discuss why it is my belief you will want to hold at least 15 QNT and why. Welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Michael, aka Fastnickel, for those who are new to the channel. Hopefully, before the end of this video, you'll remember to like, share, and become a subscriber. If we take a look at today's quant price, 15 quant would cost you about roughly $830.85. Now you might be asking yourself, okay, Fastnickel, I don't see anything worth buying here on this chart. That is true, if you're looking for quick returns, but if you're dollar cost averaging, this is a buying opportunity. This is what the chart looks like for quant. And ultimately speaking, this chart looks incredible. 3 years ago, the all-time high was $366. It seems as though we have tremendous upside potential. As a matter of fact, if we just get to the all-time high, that's a gain of 565.45%, almost a 7x return. If we are looking at the overall landscape for DLT, blockchain, and crypto adoption, regulations, what focus is put on crypto right now from the institutional side of things, it bolsters Quant's use case potential and value proposition even more. Let's look at Ethereum. 15 Ethereum, just for an example, would cost you about $36,630 right now. 15 Bitcoin would cost you guys about $1 million. Think about how crazy that is. And let's finally look at Solana. 15 Solana, just for an example, would cost you about $2,400 right now. Going back to Quant, if you don't want to believe in QNT and you can't afford ETH or BTC, Solana is a good one to hedge your bet while you also obtain QNT. But remember, $1 million for 15 Bitcoin. Most can't afford that. Now you might be saying, all right, Fastnickel, why are you comparing QNT to Ethereum and Bitcoin or Solana? Currently, we only have Ethereum and Bitcoin to go off of as two of the largest projects and Solana right behind. In this space, at this current moment in time, Bitcoin has a market cap of roughly $1.3 trillion. Okay, why is that significant? Because this is less than Apple 3.3 trillion. It's less than Microsoft 3 trillion and Nvidia 3.3 trillion. And these big three are part of FA Manta. What's funny is a lot of these companies that have massive valuations are tapping into DLT. They're tapping into blockchain crypto. They are interested in utilizing the technology. So we're talking about multi-trillion-dollar corporations that are now interested in this technology. But also, when I look at QNT at a market cap of $664 million, and the full supply of QNT is already out there. So just to put it into perspective, I mean, we have Ethereum over here at a market cap of $291 billion. QNT has a market cap of $664 million. You can see the overall upside potential if QNT hits Ethereum's market cap at some point in the future. Not this cycle, but some point in the future. And now, why do I believe that it will? Well, let's address a few things. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about the recent appointment that Quant did announce, which is Lena Russ as Chief Commercial Officer. If we look at Lena Russ's background, Quant, the digital finance pioneer today, announced the appointment of Lena Russ in the newly created role of CCO. She joins from TradeTech, the leading private debt and trade finance marketplace, where she spent 3 years as Chief Revenue Officer. That is a XDC-based project, which, by the way, Quant is working with XDC. They have them integrated into the Overledger platform. Let's look at some quotes. I'm delighted to join the leadership team at Quant at what feels like something of a pivotal juncture, says Lena Russ, Chief Commercial Officer, Quant. There is now strong momentum behind financial services firms pursuing the new revenue lines and reduced risk enabled by tokenized deposits, programmable payments, and digital assets. I'm incredibly excited to be joining a company that is at the forefront of this transition. Having already completed successful projects on the digital pound and the regulated liability network, UK, Quant has a proven track record of developing innovative customized solutions across payments and capital markets. I'm really looking forward to helping our clients achieve the immense benefits of true digital finance. Gilbert Verdian, founder and chief executive officer at Quant, adds, Lena combines knowledge of technological innovation and traditional finance with a pragmatic, customer-first commercial approach. This is exactly the type of expertise we need to help propel our clients to new heights by empowering financial institutions and enterprises to capitalize on the possibilities afforded by digital money and programmable digital assets. We're thrilled to have her on board. As I mentioned, she has an impressive background. Let's also look at this post from European Blockchain Convention. Uncover the challenges and opportunities in blockchain payments. How blockchain can change payments and why is it so hard? Dive into an insightful discussion on the transformative potential of blockchain in payments and the complexities involved. This was a major convention, September 25th through the 26th. We can see this is a very substantial event. Look at some of the speakers here, major players, major Web3 players as well. MasterCard, Solana Project, Kraken, the list just goes on and on here. The Bank of England is definitely one that I'm focused on here, especially with how big Quant is with the Bank of England. You can check this out if you want to, but a very substantial event. And if you go back to June of 2023, you can see a post from Gilbert Verdian that reads, I'm incredibly proud to be able to announce that at Quant Network has been collaborating with the Bank for International Settlements and the Bank of England on Project Rosalind, a project designing and implementing a CBDC API and platform and testing use cases for CBDCs with financial services participants. We were chosen to provide the technology because of our history of innovation, expertise in financial services, and deep experience in payments, previously running mission-critical infrastructure. Only we can do what the project needed from a technology partner and payments expert. The project has produced tangible, real-world examples that tested how CBDCs could support a more digitalized economy in the future, working with participants like Bank of Canada, Barclays, MasterCard, Amazon, who built and tested new CBDC payment flows on the platform. CBDCs are coming. I encourage every bank and financial institution to read the Project Rosalind report and start planning their smart money infrastructure strategy. And these are the companies that use QNT. So you can already see Oracle uses it, Citibank, Credit Suisse, Samsung, Intel, Microsoft. You have Salesforce, Cisco, Instagram, Gmail. You have a bunch of these other applications that try integrating on the Overledger OS, which is the QNT OS system, the software, the network. So it's reputable. It's being used in the real world right now. So your answer to anyone that says QNT is a fad, it's never going to go anywhere. It's useless. This is your response. It's already being used. You saying that these other companies are also fads, that they're using QNT, no. It means they're using it, and they're using it because they see a benefit in it. So, there you go. There's your answer. To wrap this up, let's take a look at my prediction. Now, 2024, current price, $56, market cap, 676 million. You own 15 tokens, value, $840. 2025, what's the ultra conservative price? $747.25. Market cap, $9 billion. You own 15 tokens. Value, $11,209. What's the bullish price? $119.12.86. Market cap, $23 billion. You own 15 tokens. Value, $28,693. What's the ultra bullish price? $3,126.73. Market cap, $46 billion. You own 15 tokens. Value, $57,401. Summary of values. Ultra conservative value. 15 tokens equals $11,209 bullish value. 15 tokens equals $28,693. Ultra bullish value. 15 tokens equals $57,401.